Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. As you can see, euro currency shows a bit more strength compared to what we have expected on the background on the Brexit agreement that widely announced right now in Europe. Although I think that it's too early to speak about any agreement because it's actually no agreement about the border in Ireland. This is the cornerstone question in relation between the European Union and the United Kingdom. And second, Great Britain will stay in the tax and custody space of the European Union till the end of the 2020. So actually, no exit will happen because it will stand. United Kingdom will stand under the tax and custody law of the European Union. It will make the corresponding payments to the European Union. And actually, it's more populistic measure to announce this agreement as the final decision on Brexit. That's everything stands on paper already, but in reality, it's not stands so. And it's a lot of doubts right now you can hear in the media in relation to this agreement. But anyway, since this information was, as I said, widely announced, you can see as an example on the Great British Pound on the European Union, in the Euro, that market has got some additional support and upward action has become stronger. At the same time, we think that it's too early to talk on any reversal, and we still treat this upward action as retracement. Yes, it's a bit stronger. It's now stands definitely not just due to the oversold area that we have talked about on Monday. It's definitely not an oversold driving factor right now, but still, this is not yet some breaking of the bearish tendency. So we treat it as a retracement by far. Still, we should be careful currently with any attempt of the taking shorts. As you can see, yesterday reaction on our very strong intraday area was mild. So although it has happened, but it hasn't quite reached the even minimum target of the double of the bread and butter sell that we have suggested. And we need some more clarity, some more confidence for taking the short position before taking any short position. So what we have on the daily today, guys, the only one important event in the statistics. Today we'll get the retail sales in the United States. It's very important data because it makes a direct impact on the gross domestic product. So on the daily chart, the one thing that we should keep an eye on is two moments. First of all, take a look at today's session still stands inside of the range of yesterday action. And second, market is flirting with MACD. If we will get the bearish grabber on the daily chart, that will be at least something, some hint that maybe retracement is coming to an end, and we could get finally the downward continuation to the 1185 area that we are watching for. On the 4-hour time frame chart, here you can see that actually minor retracement was here, reaction on the bread and butter start. It was not sufficient to complete the pattern, but still, is every time show you that even if we will become wrong later, the first reaction on the strong area has the very high probability to happen. That lets us to protect our positions with the break-even steps. Currently, guys, we have ABCD pattern in place with the OP target around 1368, 1370, and so P, and close to the actually 50%, slightly higher section. At the same time, guys, take a look at the market. Here, market definitely had some barriers to the for the upward continuation, because you can see this really big sell-off has happened as soon as market has touched this area. strong return back of the price here and here. The market right now is struggling with this selling pressure, trying to exceed this top and continue upward direction. So currently, as you can see, market still stands below this top, and we will see what will happen, whether the market will take it out of this top or not, because actually it has a relation to daily possible bearish rubber, and we'll see what will happen. So currently, guys, we're watching for clear patterns how market will complete this upward direction, because as market has passed through the strong confidence resistance, it's a bit, and it shows some real strength, some additional strength that's coming from the political event. And in this circumstance, it's better to wait for clear signs of the reversal before taking any short position. But still, we treat this action currently still as a retracement. So on the hourly chart, you also could see it from the price action. This is definitely not the reversal kind of action. On the hour ABCD pattern, that was an OP that we said it's point where market could start the brand body, and it has started, as I said, but later the market has moved higher. The XOP target stands at 12 and 1368. It corresponds and agrees with this OP target, so the same area. Since we have multiple grabbers on the way up, so here is the first grabber, bullish grabber, it suggests the taking out of this top. This minor grabber, it suggests the taking out of this top. I will not exclude that market could try to create the butterfly. And 127 extension of the butterfly stands at the same area. So potentially, it's not the fact, but theoretically, since we still have the retracement action, potential reversal could happen around 1370 area. Also, it will be the upper border of this channel. And if market really will turn down from this area and close somewhere below the MACD predictor on the daily this day, that could become the bearish grabber on the daily, and that could become our background for possible taking the short position on the market. So we need to get some more clear sign of weakness on the market, that upward action is finished. So that's our position on the euro currently. So waiting for a completion of the major patterns as our targets that we have initially have watched for, and we thought the market could turn down here. It has happened, but it's not sufficient degree, and market later has continued to move higher. We need to switch to next targets, and next target point on the 1370 area. That will be the next area where we'll be watching for possible signs of the reversal and final point of this upward retracement. So let's see what will happen.